Ever wonder what it's like to lose $1 billion? How about 10 billion? Or even 100 billion? Welcome back to Global Ranks, where today we recounting down the top 10 billionaires who've seen the most staggering drops in their fortunes. These are stories of market crashes, risky bets, and empires that crumbled almost overnight. So buckle up, because these numbers are going to blow your mind. Starting our countdown at number 10 is Eric Yuan, the founder of Zoom. At its peak, Zoom became our virtual lifeline, and Yuan's wealth soared to nearly $29 billion. But as the world reopened and competition stiffened, Zoom's stock tumbled. Yuan's net worth plummeted by over $20 billion, proving that what goes up in the tech world can come down just as fast. Next up at number 9 is Hu Kaiyan, the chairman of the beleaguered Chinese property giant Evergrande. Once one of Asia's richest men with a fortune of over $42 billion, Hu's empire began to crumble under a mountain of debt. The Evergrande crisis sent shockwaves through the global economy, and Hu's personal wealth evaporated by more than $30 billion. A stark reminder of the risks in the high-stakes property market. Coming in at number 8 is Masayoshi Son, the founder of SoftBank, known for his audacious bets on tech startups through the Vision Fund. Son rode the wave of tech valuations to a massive fortune. However, several high-profile investments like WeWork soured, leading to colossal write-downs. Son's net worth has seen jaw-dropping swings, with losses estimated to be well over $40 billion from his peak. It's a classic tale of high risk, high reward, and sometimes high loss. At number 7, we have Tadashi Yanai, the man behind the global fashion empire Fast Retailing, the parent company of Uniqlo. While Uniqlo remains a household name, global economic headwinds and shifting consumer habits have hit the company hard. Yanai, who once commanded a fortune of over $45 billion, has seen his wealth drop by tens of billions, showing that even the giants of retail aren't immune to market turbulence. Breaking into our top half at number 6 is Bill Huang. This name might be less familiar, but his story is legendary on Wall Street. Through his private investment firm, Archegos Capital, Huang used massive leverage to make enormous bets on a few stocks. When those stocks fell, it triggered a chain reaction of margin calls, forcing a fire sale of over $20 billion in a single day. The collapse wiped out his entire estimated $30 billion fortune and left several major banks with huge losses. At number 5, we have Mark Zuckerberg. The Meta CEO has been on a roller coaster ride. After rebranding from Facebook and pouring billions into the metaverse, investor confidence wavered. Combined with privacy concerns and increased competition, Meta's stock took a historic nosedive. At one point, Zuckerberg's net worth plunged by an astonishing $100 billion from its peak of over $140 billion. While he's since recovered some ground, it remains one of the largest single-year wealth drops in history. Number 4 on our list is Bernard Arnault. The chairman of LVMH, the world's largest luxury goods company, briefly held the title of the world's richest person. His empire includes brands like Louis Vuitton, Dior, and Tiffany & Co. However, even the luxury market isn't invincible. Fears of a global economic slowdown caused LVMH shares to dip, and in a single day, Arnault's fortune dropped by $11 billion. His peak-to-trough losses have been in the tens of billions, proving that even the finest luxury can face market reality. Now for our top 3. At number 3 is Changpeng Zhao, better known as CZ, the founder of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance. As the crypto market boomed, CZ's wealth skyrocketed to an estimated $96 billion. But the subsequent crypto winter and intense regulatory scrutiny on Binance sent his fortune crashing down by over $80 billion. It's a dramatic example of the volatility and risk inherent in the crypto universe. Our runner-up at number 2 is Jeff Bezos. The Amazon founder has consistently been at the top of the world's rich lists, but a combination of his divorce settlement, philanthropic pledges, and a broader tech stock downturn has seen his fortune fluctuate wildly. From his peak of over $210 billion, Bezos has seen his net worth fall by tens of billions, at times shedding more than $60 billion in a year. When you're at the top, even a small percentage drop means losing a fortune most can't even imagine. And finally, the number 1 billionaire who has lost the most money is Elon Musk. The CEO of Tesla, SpaceX, and X is no stranger to headlines. His wealth, largely tied to Tesla stock, soared to an unprecedented peak of over $340 billion. However, his controversial acquisition of Twitter, coupled with Tesla's stock volatility, led to the largest loss of personal fortune in history. At its lowest point, Musk's net worth had plummeted by over $200 billion. It's a figure so immense, it's hard to comprehend. From tech titans to property moguls, these stories show that fortunes can be as volatile as the markets themselves. What do you think of these incredible losses? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Global Ranks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more world rankings.